Professional acrylic nail drill 35,000 revolutions per minute. The upgraded portable nail drill is equipped with a more powerful pure copper motor, which can spin up to 35,000 revolutions per minute. Compared with the other 20,000 revolutions per minute nail drill on the market, it has a higher speed and faster heat dissipation. Not only widely used in removing gel nail polish, shaping acrylic nails, removing callus, dead skin, nail salon, personal manicure, pedicure, or DIY nail art, but also perfect for grinding, cutting, carving, and DIY art. Quick change drill bits come with 3-jaw universal chuck, applying better stability on your projects, allows you to quickly and easily change bits on handpieces freely. JUEMEL Locking Chuck accepts all kinds of 3/32 shank bits, wider compatible than others. Locking chuck design, more stability, more precision, and no loosening of the nail drill bit after a long time using. Low heat, low noise, low vibration. The electric nail drill uses a high-tech speed bearing and robust motor. It doesn't get too hot or make loud noise and vibration during operation, even at its highest setting. The handpiece is made of high-quality aluminum alloy material and upgraded ventilated cooling system. Solved the heating problem of other e-file on the market. Forward-reverse design is a good ideal for both professional use in the salon or beginner use at home. USB interface portable nail drill. Input voltage is less than or equal to District of Columbia 12V. 2A, USB charging cable, filled up pointing triangle without plug adapter. Can charge anytime anywhere by connecting with any type USB interface adapter, like phone charging adapter, USB plug board, laptop, power bank. Designed for international use, easier and more portable for business trip or travel. Gift perfect nail gift for DIY home salon. 1x nail drill, 1x ceramic nail drill bit, 1x mandrel, 16x diamond grinding bit, 50x sanding band, 120 number 180 hash. 1* clean brush, 1x USB cable, 1x user manual play button. All is ready for a perfect beautifying nail experience. JUEMEL professional nail drill kit will be an amazing gift for your family, friends, manicurist. 12-month quality warranty plus JUEMEL professional customer service team will handle your any issues and help you in 12 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. This tool is a huge time saver for smoothing dip powder nails before the final top coats. It is easily speed adjustable, has a sturdy build, and has lots of bits for good versatility.